Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Kapcai Rideology. For today we will be discussing preparation for ride up from Singapore to Thailand. Okay, welcome back. It's Armando from Kapcai Rideology again. So today we will continue to do videos regarding my ride from Singapore to Golden Triangle, Thailand. In today's series, I will be discussing with you about preparation in riding a small motorcycle all the way up from Singapore to Thailand. Check your tire pressure is one of them. Why I say check tire pressure? When you don't have a right pressure during your riding, it will actually consume more petrol on your ride out. Okay, then the second thing, you need to lubricate your chain. With a normal motorcycle that runs using chain and sprockets, yes, you need to take care of them by lubricating them often. There are many ways to do it, but this is my way, the easy way, I think. Start motorbike, put the gear 1, and we have the wheels running. That's how you do it. It is advisable for you to do a servicing before a ride up, to change your engine oil, maybe change your spark plug. There you have it, some minimal preparation to your bike before you leave for the road. And then planning also includes the ride itself. So for me, I use Google Maps to have a rough idea how far and how long it takes to ride up to a certain location. So for me, it's Golden Triangle. Inside Google Maps, search, we type in here, I have Golden Triangle Park. Okay, click the directions. They will ask for the starting point. As for my case, it will be Jurong West, Singapore. Okay, there we have 2,689 kilometers. So besides Google Map, I'm also using Tripadvisor. So Tripadvisor is a very good app to actually plan in a certain place. Let's say you are going to Chiang Mai, example. So in Chiang Mai, you can go to Tripadvisor and look inside Tripadvisor, and they will advise you on what activities that you can do, places that you need to visit when you reach a certain location. So yeah, I have a link down there on Tripadvisor if you need to use them. So for those who is new that's watching my video, why not you subscribe, and you will get notified of new videos that I do weekly. Hopefully every Sunday I upload new videos that maybe you can learn something from my videos. So for money wise, during this trip I use credit card. So this credit card is very important during travel, because usually hotels need credit cards to secure a deposit. So I prefer to use the credit card. Anyway, when I spend on the credit card, I get reward points, and the points usually can be converted into vouchers that I always use for maybe shopping at NTUC or Giant or even Toys R Us. I change, let me try to recall, it's 400 Sing dollars I changed to Thai baht, 300 Sing dollars I changed to Malaysian ringgit, and the balance of 300 I kept it as Singapore dollars, just in case I need more, then I can change on site, on location. I took an estimate, and my guesstimate is really very accurate actually, but probably that's luck. So I intend to only spend $1,000 and try to keep to that budget of $1,000. In the case of day one, okay, let's see my list over here. I got a list of the what I did on day one. The ride was from Singapore to Kelantan, because I already decided that I will only ride 12 hours per day and have a good night rest at night. So 12 hours will take me to Kelantan actually, and also ask around actually when I reach Kelantan to confirm what time does the custom border opens. So I came out early the next day, so that will be on the next video. So after leaving from B point at 4 AM, of course the journey is a very nice ride on the east coast of Malaysia. It's a total of 16 hours on the road, but then not all the way on the road. Of course, I have 7 stops. There is also stops for my prayer, and there is quite one long gap stop at Boon Siew Terengganu, where I did my bike servicing. That is where my bike already touched 10,000. Exactly, it's actually 10,091 kilometers, where I did a servicing. I paid RM 57 ringgit 50 cents for the servicing. I also bought a Honda sticker. You know, at the front, just underneath the headlight, there's one Honda sticker which peel off. So I asked them whether they have it. Yeah, they have it, and they say, oh my god, you can't believe. Make a guess, how much is it? It's only 1 ringgit 20. Another important app that I use is booking.com. So during this ride, yes, once I was about to reach, like for this case, I about to reach Kelantan, I made a search on the booking.com for accommodation, for hotels. So I did get the hotel name is Hotel by Lawang Suites. I paid 50 ringgit for it. You can choose whatever. There are pictures there of the rooms, so you can choose. You can even select how many stars you want: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. If you want 4 star, you put 4 star. If you want 5 star, you put 5 star. It's up to you. It's your own budget to spend, so just enjoy the holiday. But yeah, booking.com is to me a very good app to search for accommodation. If you need, the link is just below on my description. You can use the link if you want to use booking.com. Google Maps can track your distance, your timing, where you go. So this app is a very good app, this Google Maps. So using Google Maps, so for day 1 I actually took 11 hours 49 minutes on the motorcycle ride. It consists of, it states there is 689 kilometer, but I think that is not accurate because when I use my odometer just to minus off the next morning's reading to the starting, which is a 9,520 kilometer when I started from home, so it's 780 kilometer total for 11 hours 49 minutes. I did 7 stops, spent ringgit 54.95 for the fuel. So for that day, fuel plus food and beverages plus servicing, so means money that I spent on day 1 is a total of ringgit 189.20 cents, equivalent, that is equivalent to Singapore dollar $61.70 for day 1. Not too bad. So I set aside a budget of $1,000 and day 1 I only spent $61.70. Congratulations, Ding Armando. So that is the preparation that I've done before the ride, and also the story behind day 1 and how much I spent, and just a summary of the ride up to between Singapore to Kelantan. So guys, why not you subscribe to my channel so that you will be informed of my next video, whereby I will tell you the next part of the journey, which is from Kelantan to Krabi. So take care for now, and we'll see you next week.